So now it's time to introduce the first speaker and our good friend Amit Kumar Sarogi. And we have spent almost 2 decades of friendship and even morning walks in Goa, in Mumbai and other things. So that is a dream we set with and go with the friendship. So that is how we bring in everybody together. Amit Sarogi is a co-founder and managing director of Anmol Feeds Private Limited. He started this enterprise in 2023, age of 23. And can you believe he is a graduate from my city, Bangalore, and MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, wherein he graduated. Further, he added many more to his group because of the paucity of the time. I don't say the achievements of Amit Kumar Sarogi. What I would say is today, the company Anmol Feeds is producing 1,300 metric tons per day. 1,300 metric tons per day. As he said, feed ka king of feed in, I think, western part of India. So the group from 20 years has put in such a great effort. If I list the awards, the first award to be mentioned for the group is National Award in USA. National Award 2009 in poultry, first poultry industry in micro, small, medium enterprise to receive it. First poultry enterprise to receive an award from USA. And then the list goes on to give you our latest one is Agri-Business Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. And then Outlook magazine covered specifically on Anmol Feeds and Amit Sarogi as the entrepreneur to watch in for the future. And there are many Brand of the Year, Dream Company of the Year, West Bengal Best Employee Year, Fish Feed Miller Award, etc., etc., etc. I don't want to embarrass Amit by going on listing it. See, this is the hardship one has to dream. See, he has started his venture in Bihar, now going for Pan-India. And he is an engineering graduate from Bangalore. See the relations, Bangalore to Bihar to Brand India. That is what I would call Amit now. All over to Amit Sarogi for the session ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Mahesh, for your kind words. I still remember we are the only 2 early risers and we end up doing our morning walks during all our KLAFMA AGMs meetings. So, and we both of us have discussed a lot about this industry. Dr. Ajit Ranade, I met him 20 years back when first time we went to Goa KLAFMA. And we have been listening to him, learning from him. And I think in nutrition, he is one of the most knowledgeable in poultry nutrition. He is the most knowledgeable person in the industry. We have been going to him with our feed list, additives list, and he has been helping the industry without any personal benefit, just for a national cause, for the love of the industry. I see a lot of young fellow panelists, and it was and it is always my dream that we should make poultry business such a glamorous business that people should come from Harvard, Stanford, study and come back to start poultry business. Because till today, I think there is some change in last 1 to 2 years, but we are not attracting the best brains to our agriculture and poultry industry. But these things have changed in last 2 years. This pandemic has taught everyone the importance of agriculture. When all the business has stopped, poultry, food were the only businesses which were allowed by Government of India, and everybody realized what is essential, what is non-essential. So the only essential things in life is food, medicines, electricity, internet, banking. Whatever, these things were only open during the lockdown, first, second phase of the lockdown. So this is what. So this industry has a great future. It has to grow. We are Indian people. Our income is increasing. More and more people are climbing up the food chain. And as you know, as people get richer, demand for protein increases, and the poultry is the best source of protein for any any human being as well as any animal also. So as this is an entrepreneurship seminar, and I understand that we have lot of young entrepreneurs and wannabe entrepreneurs who want to enter the business. Entrepreneur is a nice word right now after this internet boom has started. When we started 20 years back, entrepreneurship was not a nice word. If you are coming from a background of a small village from Bihar. I was born in a small village in Bihar called Ramnagar, and my initial schooling was there. That time it was called mini Chambal of India. 5 o'clock, everything used to stop. We can't venture out of our home after 5 o'clock. It was, and still it is one of the backward most area in India. It is on India-Nepal border. So we came from that background, and from that background, nobody can ever think that one day when I'll become 44-year-old, we will have a company called Anmol Feeds. I will have the privilege of becoming past chairman of CLAFMA. This all has happened because of entrepreneurship, and this all has happened because of our great country called India. The people of India, the opportunities you get when you are hardworking, you have perseverance. So I will like to tell you the story that how all it started. So I joined Bangalore as to study engineering, but second year of the college only I decided that I don't want to do any job. I want to do entrepreneurship. This was in the year 1996. Nobody ever used to think about entrepreneurship in those days. There was no concept of startup. If you are doing something in college, you were looked down. कि अरे ये तो पढ़ाई में सीरियस नहीं है, अपने पेरेंट्स पैसा बर्बाद करता है, इधर उधर बिजनेस का सोचता है. This I'm talking 24 years back. So during my second college, when I used to go home, we had a family shop at a place called Ramnagar. So my chacha used to take an annual holiday. And what I realized, he used to sell all in a village. In a small town, you have a shop where you sell everything, fertilizer, all kind of food items. So he used to sell everything, oil, food items, everything. So what I realized, that he was a distributor of a feed company. And there was a huge demand for feed company, and that feed company was not able to supply. You have to put this you have to give a draft for 10 days. And the material used to come in 10 days. So we realized that there is a huge gap between demand and supply. Then I went to, there is an institute in Mysore, I think CFTRI, Central Food Research Institute. We went there, we asked for a project report that we want to start a poultry feed business during my college time. Then once the college got over, I came back to Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So that thing was always there that I have to do poultry business, and there was no technology available, there was no internet available, there was no book available, there was no one who can guide us how you can make pellet feed. There was only 1 or 2 companies making pellet feed in India, and they were highly secretive. They were not ready to share technology with anyone. So we had rented premises in Muzaffarpur with the help of my father. We invested that time 2 lakh rupees, and we started this poultry feed thing. We never had a boiler. We never knew that to produce poultry feed pellet, you need a boiler. We used to use molasses, and I used to sit near the pellet machine, putting up a chair, and I have done everything with my hands, like putting up, taking out the material, climbing up on the machine, sieving the bags, I have not loaded the material on my own, but I have helped the labor. Like sometimes it is late, customer is demanding, and we don't have system. So we have helped the labor कि चलो मैं भी तुमको मदद कर देता हूँ, ये ट्रक आ गया तो इसको तुम लोड कर दो. तो like then 2000 Klafma event September, then I realized that this industry is so big. There is so much knowledge which is available. Before that, we never knew that there was any knowledge which is available. We got in touch with people like Dr. Ajit Ranade, people like Dr. That time Dr. Anaukar was there, Dr. Chadha was there. Like there were industry stalwarts. And one thing was that they were always willing to help. They were always willing to share knowledge. So then after that, first factory we started in Muzaffarpur, second in 2004 in Calcutta, third factory in 2011 in Lucknow, then 2016 another factory in Ranchi, 2017 floating fish feed plant at Calcutta, 2018 poultry feed plant at Jammu. We have another planning of setting up a floating fish feed plant at Muzaffarpur and a shrimp feed plant at Calcutta. The project is ongoing. We are a zero debt company. Last year we had a turnover of more than 600 crores. This year, if we leave the first 3 poultry months of April, May, June, which were affected by pandemic, we will grow much more compared to the last year. We are focusing a lot in doing training to the farmers. We work a lot with the farmers. The one big thing which gives me satisfaction today, that this entrepreneurship, we have tried to share the knowledge. हम लोगों ने, I understand, Dr. Mahesh, most of the people understand Hindi, so I will use some Hindi words.
Yeah, no problem.
तो हम लोगों को लगता है कि पिछले 20 साल में हम लोगों ने, हमारी कंपनी ने और हम लोगों ने 500 फैमिलीज को करोड़पति बनाया है और करोड़पति बनाने में मदद किया है. ये लोग हमारे मक्का के फार्मर्स हैं, राइस ब्रान के फार्मर्स हैं, ये लोग हमारे ब्रॉयलर के फार्मर हैं, ये लोग हमारे ब्रॉयलर के डीलर्स हैं, रिटेलर्स हैं. हमारे पास 20 एग्जाम्पल ऐसे हैं कि जिन्होंने हमारे से फार्मिंग से शुरू किया एंड दे आर रनिंग देयर स्मॉल फीड मिल्स. किसी डीलर ने हमको कहा कि सर मैं फीड मिल डालना चाहता हूँ, वी ऑलवेज एनकरेज. उसने पूछा डीसीपी कहाँ से मिलेगा, फॉर्मूला कहाँ से मिलेगा, मशीन कहाँ से मिलेगा, बॉयलर कहाँ से मिलेगा. वी हैव ऑलवेज एनकरेज पीपल टू डेवलप. हम लोगों ने हमेशा फार्मर के साथ किया है, फार्मर के साथ फोकस किया है. हमारे कस्टमर इसलिए आगे बढ़े हैं, हमारे इकोसिस्टम में जो लोग आगे बढ़े हैं, वी हैव ऑलवेज डन बिजनेस विद एम्पैथी. वी हैव ऑलवेज थॉट कि व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग, ये सामने वाले के दिमाग में उसको क्या बेनिफिट होगा. वी हैव ऑलवेज डन बिजनेस विद दिस थॉट कि हाउ यू कैन बेनिफिट our employees, our customers, our farmers, because we strongly believe कि if these people are benefited, our benefit will come as a byproduct of their benefit. We are dealing directly with 50,000 farmer families. 2.5 lakh log, 50,000 farmer families are directly dependent on us for our employment. These 55,000 families, we are giving them all kind of technical support, moral support. Even we help them from our CSR funds also. कोई उनके घर में education के लिए कुछ चाहिए, we try to help. We consider these 50,000 farmer families as our own. And we all know कि this reverse migration has happened in pandemic. India is talking about Atmanirbhar, vocal for local. So this fishery, poultry, dairy are the biggest employment generator and can be biggest employment generator for our youth, which are educated but they are unskilled in any particular vocation. It is very easy to start any youth to start a poultry farm. They can start a poultry farm and they can get on-job training. There are companies like us, there are institutes like CPDO, there are institutes like IPMT, private companies also. We also train farmers in 10-20 batches. So the biggest satisfaction which gives us, one entrepreneur has created 51,000 entrepreneurs, 50,000 our farmers, 1,000 our direct dealers. And I have three things I have always understood, I always believed, coming from Bihar, coming from a small town. Like when 20 years back we used to go to the industry, nobody used to take us seriously. अरे ये बिहार से आया है, इसको क्या पता है, इसको क्या जानकारी है, ये लोग है. You know how the image was. अभी तो बिहार का इमेज बहुत बढ़िया है. तो how the image was. तो but because of people like Dr. Ranade, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Other people who are there in cloth point industry, they have always supported us. हम लोगों ने एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखी कि never feel shy of asking questions. Anybody who knows me from last 15 years, they all know कि in any meeting if someone is asking first question, that is me. And everybody knows कि ये पहला question पूछेगा. After meeting lot of people have told me कि why you only ask questions, let them things. But these questions have benefited me as well as the panelists and the industry. So never feel shy of asking question. दूसरा है, lot of up down will come, bird flu will come, pandemic will come, government policies will change, poultry price will become 5 rupees. लेकिन एक चीज हमेशा दिमाग में रखना है, परसिवरेंस. लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. अगर लगे रहेंगे, ये एक ऐसा बिजनेस है, लगे रहेंगे. एक साल का जब भी हम बैलेंस शीट देखेंगे, कभी भी नुकसान में नहीं रहेंगे. अगर हम लॉट बाय लॉट बैलेंस शीट रखेंगे, तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन ब्रॉयलर एंड पोल्ट्री बिजनेस. तो दूसरा हम लोगों को सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है कि मुजफ्फरपुर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, मुजफ्फरपुर जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जहां से हमने पहली फीड फैक्ट्री को शुरू किया, वहां we were the first unit which started a feed mill as well as we were the second running unit in that industrial area. कोई आता था हमसे, कोई एडिटिव वाले लोग मिलने आते थे, वो डरते थे कि सर ये जंगल में कहाँ आपने फैक्ट्री लगा रखी है, मतलब पूरा खाली है. नाउ मुजफ्फरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज नंबर 1 फीड प्रोड्यूसर इन इंडिया. अगर किसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सबसे ज्यादा पोल्ट्री फीड का प्रोडक्शन होता है पूरे इंडिया में, सबसे ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ फीड मिल्स है, दैट इज मोर देन 30 फीड मिल्स, दैट इज इन मुजफ्फरपुर. And 50 kilometers of Muzaffarpur, we have 50 feed mills in places like Hajipur, Samastipur. So Anmol Feed is the company जिन्होंने लोगों को कहा, Venky's wanted to start their hatchery over there. They were susceptible कि बिहार में करना चाहिए, मुजफ्फरपुर में करना चाहिए. Their general manager Mahesh Gupta called me कि मिस्टर सेन को भेजा था, उनको हम लोगों ने बहुत हेल्प किया. There were lot of local problems, so we have always helped people कि आप बिहार में आइए, मुजफ्फरपुर में आइए, यहाँ पर यूनिट लगाइए। लास्ट बहादुर भाई ने यूनिट लगाया, वो भी मेरे पास आए कि यार मैं मुजफ्फरपुर सोच रहा हूँ कि सिल्लीगुड़ी में लगाऊं। मैंने कहा आप आंख मूंद के मुजफ्फरपुर में लगाइए, वी विल हेल्प यू एंड देयर विल बी। Someone told me मजाक में 2 months back, someone has come who knows me from last 20 years. So someone told me मजाक में कि like Anmol Feed and Amit Saraogi should be given पद्म श्री, कि जिसने मुजफ्फरपुर को इंडिया के मैप में, फीड मैप में लगाया, इंडिया के फीड में। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, हम लोग पद्म श्री के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं, हम लोग काम करते हैं कि हमको ये सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है कल को कि 1000 एम्प्लॉय का फैमिली, 50,000 फार्मर का फैमिली, 500 करोड़पति हम लोग रिसेंटली 2-3 साल से मेरा स्पिरिचुअल इंक्लाइन काफी हो गया है। तो मेरे को ये लगता है कि जो बिजनेस है, जो ये वेल्थ क्रिएट करते हैं, ये हम अपने लिए नहीं करते हैं। दिस वेल्थ हैज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, दिस नॉलेज हैज टू बी गिवन टू अदर फेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, फार्मर्स, रिटेलर्स, जिनसे वो लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेनिफिट उठा सके। और I will encourage, I'm with this forum, everyone is free to talk to me, call me anytime. मैंने पैंडेमिक में लिंक्डइन में एक पोस्ट भी डाला था कि अगर किसी फेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर को कोई परेशानी हो रही है, कोई किसी से बात, देखिए क्या होता है, जो टॉप पर जो आदमी बैठा होता है ना एंटरप्रेन्योर, वो बेचारा किसी से डिस्कस नहीं कर पाता है अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स, वो अपने एम्प्लॉय से डिस्कस नहीं कर पाता, अपने कस्टमर से नहीं कर पाता, उसके दिमाग में जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं वो नहीं कर पाता। तो मैंने एक पोस्ट डाली थी लिंक्डइन पे कि पैंडेमिक, इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, कि अगर कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है, मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है, यू कैन टॉक टू मी, आई विल कॉल यू, और मैं आपसे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा बात करूंगा। आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरे को करीब 12 लोगों ने कांटेक्ट किया, जिसमें से 5 लोगों से मेरी 3-4 दिन तक 1-1 घंटा 2-2 घंटा बात हुई, और मेरे को उनका थैंक यू मैसेज आया कि हमको इससे बेनिफिट हुआ। और मैंने ये इसलिए किया कि मेरे पास भी आज मेरे पास ऐसे लोग हैं जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में हैं, श्री सीमेंट के एमडी हैं, टाटा स्टील के एमडी हैं, आईटीसी के एमडी हैं, उनको मैं एक मैसेज करता हूं कि सर मेरे को ये नॉलेज का हेल्प चाहिए। मेरे और उनके स्टेचर में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड हेल्प। उन्होंने मेरे को हेल्प किया है। जो भी अच्छा आदमी है, जो भी स्पिरिचुअल आदमी है, दे ऑलवेज बिलीव इन हेल्पिंग अदर्स। और मेरा ये लाइफ का मिशन है कि हमको ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को अपने नॉलेज का फायदा उठाना है। जो भी हमारे पास नॉलेज है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा फार्मर्स को इस बिजनेस पे एनकरेज करना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो टॉप ब्रेन है जो इंडिया में, I don't know background of Miss Shirley, I can see her, but we need people like Miss Shirley to graduate from IIM, IIT, to graduate from Stanford, Harvard, and come in agriculture, come in poultry business. यही मैं डॉक्टर महेश, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से। आई डोंट वांट टू टेक टू मच ऑफ योर
वंडरफुल। थैंक यू। आपने बोला ना, लगे रहो, दैट इज द मैसेज। एंड जैसे नाम है अनमोल फीड, आई कॉल नाउ अमित एज अनमोल। अनमोल इज इन स्पेशल, आप रियली स्पेशल है। आपने इंस्पिरेशन इतना बढ़ा दिया लोगों को। यू प्रूव दैट यू नो हाउ यू कैन टेल द रियल स्टोरी ऑफ भारत, बिहार और एनीथिंग is a real story of dreaming cycle to Ferrari.